Say hi to Dad.
Ah.
He loves to jump on the bed and make Hallie laugh. Come on.
Anthony.
And then let's make Hallie laugh.
I love
Hey, don't hit her. Jump on the bed.
Anthony.
Okay, let's see if we can get Hallie laughing. Careful. Okay, say hi to Dad.
Hi, Daddy.
Look at the camera and say hi.
Hi, Daddy.
What do you say to Dad?
Dad.
What do you tell Daddy? Say I love you, Daddy. Where is Dad?
Dado. Daddy the bean.
Do you like Damon's outfit? He got himself dressed today. Well, I helped him, but he picked out what he got to wear. So he's wearing orange shirt with his green tracksuit. Hallie, say hi. Say hi to Daddy. Yep, she found the camera.
No.
No, how? Okay, say bye, Daddy. Wave.
Bye, Daddy.
Wait, can you sing Dad the ABCs real fast?
A, B, D, D, F, I, E, B, D, D, F, I, E, B, D, D, F, I, E, B, D, D, I, A, B, D, D, F, I, and then the X, A, B, S, A, B, D, D, F,
Tell me that's not priceless.
Daddy, you bit it.
Daddy's priceless? What about... Is Hallie priceless?
No.
Yes. Can you sing the Itsy Bitsy Spider?
Paddle out, rain out.
The rain came out, huh? What about the high? Make your hand go high.
Hi,
Make your hand go by.
bye,
High.
I,
Bye.
bye.
Make your hand go high.
With
Oh yeah, wave.
and
Wave your hand. Should we sit Hallie up? Let's see if we can get her to sit up. Oh, no, no, no. Okay, never mind. Okay, hurry and jump and say goodbye to Dad while you're jumping.
Bye, Daddy.
Love you, Dad.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye, Dad. We love you.
Love